Personification. In order to learn what personification is, we first have to define it. The Webster definition is the attribution of a personal nature or human characteristics to something non-human, or the representation of an abstract quality in human form. The definition we are going to use is personification is when you give human qualities to an animal or object.
Here are some examples of how personification is used in a sentence. The leaves danced their way through the lawn. The leaves are given the human trait of dancing. The rain was angry. You could tell just by listening to it from indoors. The rain was given the human emotion of anger. The sun happily greeted everyone good morning. The sun was given the human emotion of happiness.
We see examples of personification all the time in our lives, on TV shows and movies, books, and in class. Here are some examples of characters from movies that you may recognize. Mater and Lightning McQueen from Cars. Olaf from Frozen. And Chip and Mrs. Pot from Beauty and the Beast. See how none of them are humans? These are all examples of personification.
Here are some reasons why we would use personification. It boosts the story's emotion, makes a boring sentence more exciting, it also helps the reader build an image in their head, and it connects with the reader on a personal level.
Here are some tips for how you would use personification in your stories or papers. You could choose an appropriate symbol to represent the emotion you want to convey. Also, remember that the personification of an object should be consistent throughout the whole story, not just part of it. And personification is most useful when unexpected.
This video was made by Taylor and Molly, and we got our images from Google and brighteducation.com.